Okay, love bugs, if you're watching this, welcome to 2025, the third and final level of the guillotine, or at least that's what 2024 felt like. It just felt like I was on God's strongest soldier list. 2025, I don't care what list I'm on, I am fighting back. So today I've teamed up with Unice. They sent over this beautiful pre-everything body wave wig in the length 24 inches, and this is the perfect way to start the year looking good, because when you look good, you feel good, and you get your whole to-do list done. I'm going to share with you how I installed this wig. Super simple, easy, and beginner friendly. So if you want to see how we got this look, let's get started. Jumping right into it, always start off with a fresh bald cap. I mean, mine is a little old and crusty, but you get the picture. Here I am showing you the packaging. As I mentioned, this is a 13x4 pre-everything wig in the length 24 inches. I'm going to pull off all of the packaging and get a load of that texture. She's absolutely gorgeous. Something I started doing, I believe in 2024, was adding a little hairspray before I even install, so that those straight out of the box curls can possibly be preserved. You're gonna see I am gonna touch the curls up a little bit later because this is just body wave hair, but you know, you can't knock your girl for trying. This here is a look at the wig, including the inside construction of the cap. Pre-everything means pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and pre-plucked hairline. They even included that wig tape inside, and also the lace is a free part, so you can part it literally anywhere from ear to ear. Here's a look at the nape. Included a comb, the adjustable straps, and they also included this drawstring. Now the drawstring is the new latest and greatest technology. It helps you to be able to really adjust your wig to your head, so literally a custom fit just with the pull of a string. I think that's absolutely amazing. So now that you guys got all the tea on this wig, let's go ahead and put her on and see what we're working with. Here is what she looks like on, and as you can see, the curls are giving va va voom. It's giving the vibes. The wig fits super snug and glueless, so it's going to be super easy to execute this wig and look fire, because I mean the beginning or the before is already fire. Here I'm showing you guys the hairline and the curls and all of the things. I did want to show you guys the hair from the back. As you put the wig on, the curls will begin to drop even with the hairspray, but that's to be expected because this is not a curly wig or like a pre-curled wig. It is a body wave wig, so the body wave is going to body wave. Here I am securing the edges. Now today I didn't have any edge control at my little station. It's all in the bathroom and I didn't feel like getting up, so I used a little bit of wax stick and it did the trick. Typically wax stick doesn't have that hold like an edge control for your edges, but again, it did the trick to make everything just look super neat. Now I'm going in and trimming down those pre-everything little tabs. This is just an ear tab and it goes down a little bit too far because with the drawstring, it pulls the wig so tight to be glueless that it almost makes the wig like glueless in the front, even though it's a frontal. So if you undo the drawstring, the ear tabs will pull forward a little bit more. That's just a little bit hack, but I actually liked the way it was, so I went ahead and trimmed those down. And as you guys can see, I pretty much cut off the ear tabs, so there's no sideburns, but you can still make sideburns. Now, as I'm being long-winded, I did go ahead and start the dynamic duo. This is simply the wax stick paired with the electric hot comb. I go in generously with the Care wax and just apply it along the parting as well as the hairline, and then I go in with the electric hot comb and really go in and press everything out to make it flat, neat, and sleek. Next on the list is to melt the lace. Now this is a step you can honestly skip out on. I like to do this especially for that initial install so that it can really go in and like get tacky and just hug the head and just form to my personal head. And then I add the melt belt to really seal the deal, and that's going to allow everything to air dry. If you're on a time crunch, you can speed it up with the blow dryer, but for me, I'm just going to go ahead and work on the curls while the hair air dries. And as you guys can see, this is what it looks like when you brush the curls out. For sure, just a very natural vibe. When the hairline is fire and the parting is fire and the wig is fire, you can really get away with just doing the body wave and letting it be. Honestly, this is just something I would do on an everyday basis, and then I would curl it for nights and weekends when it's time to set it off. Today I'm using the Numi wand curler. They did kindly send me this and I do owe them a reel, so note to self, give them their YouTube short, their real content. And then I went ahead and I just wanted to touch up the curls to just add something to the front. Again, just being a lazy wig wearer, a lot of the times when I have something to do or somewhere to go, taking care of and making sure 3 kids are handled and mommy comes last. A lot of the times I'm just going to make sure that the hair is slayed in the hairline and the parting and everything is flat and sleek, and then just add a few big curls around to kind of give the illusion that we did the curls, but we really just touched up a few. While those kind of set and dry, I am going to go ahead and add a little bit of lace tint. This here is the Ruby Kisses. You guys are no strangers to this if you watch my channel. I do the 15 or the 14 in the parting. Today I did do the 15, and then I did the shade 16 along the hairline, and this is simply a cream foundation. If you want something a little bit heavier, go with a cream concealer, but for me this one works absolutely perfect. I'm going to pull the curls apart just a little bit, and as you guys can see, it's a little bit of a finesse. I didn't curl the back up. You can kind of curl the ends in the back to make it all match, but you get the picture. This wig is absolutely gorgeous, and you really don't have to do too much or think too hard. If you are a beginner in the wig wearing phase and you just want to, be able to pop out and impress yourself, this is a great starter wig. I love the length on this one, but if it's too long, you can for sure get it in a shorter length. And that's pretty much it. So let's see what they provided in this beautiful packaging. We got the Unice HD wig caps, which are exclusive to Unice, as well as a sheet of those ear tape tabs. We also got some press-on nails, super gorgeous, and then we also got the melt belt. And that's pretty much it, love bugs. As I mentioned, this is the perfect starter wig. As we start the new year, I want to say Happy New Year, and I want you all to set intentions to fight back. I don't care how hard this year is, or even if it's just easy, fight back this year, because we are going to be setting goals, and we're definitely going to be knocking them out one by one, starting with the gym, work, family, all of the things. I'm going to have a link to this wig and all of the details down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.